Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Heritage Horizon. In the heart of Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, a monumental structure is rising, the Ram Mandir, a Hindu temple that stands as a symbol of cultural heritage and a beacon of controversy. This temple is being constructed on the site known as Rama Janmasthan, believed to be the birthplace of Lord Rama, a revered deity in Hinduism. The story of the Ram Mandir is intricately entwined with the history of the Babri Masjid, a mosque constructed in the 16th century CE on the ruins of a non-Islamic assembly. The saga took a dramatic turn in 1949 when statues of Rama and Sita mysteriously appeared within the mosque. The controversy escalated, culminating in the demolition of the mosque in 1992. The dispute over the ownership of the land persisted for years, captivating national attention until a landmark verdict was delivered by the Supreme Court of India in 2019. The court ruled in favor of the Hindus, granting them the disputed land for the construction of the Ram Mandir. To compensate, the Muslim community was given a separate piece of land for the construction of a mosque. The court's judgment was influenced by a report from the Archaeological Survey of India suggesting the presence of a non-Islamic structure beneath the demolished Babri Masjid. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Ram Mandir, known as the Bhumi Pujan, was performed on August 5, 2020 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The construction of the temple, currently underway, is being managed by the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust. The inauguration of the temple is eagerly anticipated, scheduled for January 22, 2024. Despite the progress, the Ram Mandir continues to be a focal point of controversy. Accusations of misuse of donations, sidelining of major activists, and politicization of the temple by the Bharatiya Janata Party have cast a shadow over the project. To summarize, the Ram Mandir's story is a rich tapestry of faith, heritage, and controversy. From its beginnings as the Babri Masjid to the Supreme Court verdict and the ongoing construction, the temple remains a significant symbol in India's cultural and political landscape. As we await the inauguration in 2024, this story continues to unfold, reflecting the complexities of India's diverse heritage and the ongoing quest for coexistence and harmony.